I hate messing up my beautiful snow, but I gotta make my way to my bird feeder. Don't worry, I have one up front hummingbird feeder, unthawed, and so the bird can get to that, but he likes this one too. But I have all these pine siskins. They're waiting for their nummies. There must be 75 or more, maybe 100. Here, move. Go on. Let's see, watch me. Fly off. We have at least 5 inches of snow this morning. I will put my bird camera out in a little bit. Put it here, and you can watch the birdies enjoying the nummies. Oh, it's cold. Little jungle. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There must be 100 of these. Aren't they cute? I love how they do that. That's called murmur. Okay, here we go, guys. Here we go. 5 inches of snow. Here we go. I'll put your food out. There we go, guys. Here, you hungry little babies. My hungry little angels. Oh, look at that jungle. I think I'm going to try to feed them. See if they land in my hand. Hold on. What do you think? 5 inches? It'd be cold, but it's beautiful. Okay, let's see if I can get a little birdie to eat from my hand. I think I can. It'll be a chickadee. I will love it. I will be thrilled. Okay. Hold on. It'll take a few minutes. Come on, chickadee. Oh, my hands are cold. It's 30 degrees out. Come on, little chickadee. Chickadee, my favorite birdie. Come on. Don't be scared of me. If only you knew how much I loved you. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, don't go in there. Come on. Come on. Chickadee. Come on, chickadee. There's a jungle. Oregon jungle. This is sunflower seeds without the shell. They love these. Most of the roads are impassable. Come on, Chickavee. Oh, I don't know if I can do this. Not sure I can do this. My hands are cold. My hand is cold. I'm stupid. But I want this so bad. Please, little birdie. I need something good. I'm having a bad time. Hard time. Ooh, too cold. Too cold. Okay. All right. Just a minute. Just a minute, little Hummer. You've got one in the front yard, so you don't need to be worried. Hold on. I filled my hummingbird feeder with glass beads, crystals, and they're heated. he is just too brave. Not sure whose tracks those are. But we got bunnies. Lots of bunnies. Maybe I'll take them some hay and some fruit. What do bunnies like to eat? Timothy hay. I need a whole bale. I have a little small amount of Timothy hay. Oh, I wish you guys would eat out of my hand, which I guess I haven't been out here enough. You guys get familiar with me. Chickadees. I was hoping a chickadee would land in my hand. Leslie, the bird nerd, you gotta visit her site. She is awesome. I'll get a piece of frozen wool and show you what a ice crystal looks like. Maybe you can see some here. I need some magnifying glass. They're gorgeous. They're my favorite thing in the world is ice crystals. Snowflakes. I have a book on snowflakes. Maybe I'll read that. I am a snowflake. Anyway, I'm supposed to have more snow, but here comes the Franciscans. Yep, they're hungry. Oh, there's one with a red head. Reddish. Oh, hello. Hello. It's time for me to back away. But I will set my bird cam up so you can enjoy the beautiful, beautiful bird feeding operation. Please subscribe to my channel. Oh, I'm almost at 1,000 and I'm so excited and I appreciate every one of you. That way I can go live from my cell phone and I don't have to set up my clunky stupid computer out here. I have a GoPro, don't know how to operate it, paid $350 for it, never used it, it's just sitting there. Look at all these birds, pine siskins. Fly away, boop, boop. Nope. Maybe if I throw a snowball at them, nope. They said, we're hungry. Lady, go away. Ooh, one's enjoying the peanuts, or the sunflower. They're sunflower seeds with no holes. So, be ready for some awesome bird videos. I'll set my camera up in a few minutes. That scared him for a second. Scared some of them. They're hungry, so without further ado, please subscribe to my channel. Share me out. Maybe I can hit 1,000 by New Year's Day. God bless you. These are angels sent from above. Don't you think?